The moon completely vanished from the sky in 1110, leaving onlookers stunned. The unique medieval observation of a dark total lunar eclipse. The phenomenon has remained a mystery for nearly a millennium. Nobody knows what happened to the moon. One observer wrote in the Peterborough Chronicle, "On the fifth night in the month of May appeared the moon shining bright in the evening, and afterwards by little and little its light diminished, so that as soon as night came it was so completely extinguished withal that neither light nor orb nor anything at all of it was seen." For almost 1,000 years, astronomers have attempted to solve the mystery of the extremely dark eclipse, but to no avail. But researchers believe they may finally have the answer now. The answer is a volcanic eruption. By analyzing the ice cores and the tree rings, researchers from the University of Geneva in Switzerland found that 1109 was significantly cooler than 1108, suggesting there was a thin layer of aerosols in the atmosphere. The team explained that it's likely the reason the moon went invisible, as a lunar eclipse took place in 1110, as confirmed by NASA analysts, which was made to look even darker by the thin layer of dust in the air caused by volcanic eruptions. Medieval observation of a dark total lunar eclipse attests to a dust veil over Europe in May 1110 CE, corroborating the revised ice core chronologies. Furthermore, careful evaluation of the ice core records points to the occurrence of several closely spaced volcanic eruptions between 1108 and 1110 CE. The spectacular atmosphere optical phenomena associated with high-altitude volcanic aerosols have caught the attention of chronicles since ancient times.